Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a kettle, a mug, and your favorite tea. It is important to use fresh, cold water for the best flavor, so fill your kettle with that. Then, decide if you prefer loose leaf tea or a convenient tea bag for your brew. Next, heat your water to the appropriate temperature. For most black teas, boiling water is ideal, but green teas prefer slightly cooler water, around 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Once heated, place 1 tea bag or 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose leaf tea into your mug. Carefully pour the hot water over the tea, making sure it is completely covered. Steeping time is crucial for flavor. For black tea, steep for about 3 to 5 minutes to achieve a robust taste. Green tea, however, generally needs a shorter steeping time, usually 1 to 3 minutes, to prevent bitterness. Once your tea has steeped to your liking, carefully remove the tea bag or strain the loose leaf tea from your mug. Now comes the fun part, customizing your tea. Feel free to add sweeteners such as sugar or honey to suit your preference. You might also enjoy a splash of milk or a slice of lemon for an extra layer of flavor. Give it a gentle stir, and then take a moment to savor your perfectly brewed, warm cup of tea. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.